Hello friends, good afternoon everyone. Jai Bhim. Friends, one heartwarmed incident was registered from the Keshavarigudem village and Mungodu Mandal, Nalgonda district. There from one teacher, a good teacher, one dedicated teacher. His name Chennagoni Umashankar Gaud. He working at the primary school in Keshavarigudem. What is the matter in the incident means friends, which is the Keshavarigudem village. That one is a remote area, and there was consist of around 110 houses, and the population 420 members. In those members, 55 members they are eligible to 1 to 5th study. In those, the 35 members they were gone to the private schools somewhere, and remaining 13 members, in those half of the students they they hadn't go to the school. That time who was the Umashankar, he took the extreme step, and he was took the his bike, and he rided himself individually, and he goes to door to bring the student who are not coming to the school, and he brought them, and he giving the education there. That is why I came for respond on him, and his dedication, and really friends, that one is a recognizing note, that one is a rewarding effort, welcoming worth, and inspiring manner, and endurable behavior, his behavior. That is why such like teacher give the good education to who are the poor people, who are the illiterate people. There in that village, the half of the people illiterate people. That is why they don't know what is the value of the education. That is why they couldn't send their children to the school. They are wandering in their village. That time he took the initiation, and he brought them and giving the education. What a uh, what a work of the dedication, what a job of responsibility, what a accountable manner, his manner. That is why I am responding. And really friends, I am appreciate his duty. I am recognize his job, and I am emphasizing his work. Really the good teacher who are the working in the government schools, they all are should be took him as a role model, and everyone should be give the such type of priority to who are the poor people, who are the poor students. This is my message to every teacher, and I am sending the one message to the collector of the Nalgonda, and MU should be recognized, and should be recognize his duty, his job, and his work worth, and should be select him as a good teacher, and should be give the reward award on the August 15th, the Independence Day. This is my message to the Nalgonda district collector and Mandala MU. This is the really appreciable. He giving the dedicate education to the students who are the poor people, who are the poor students. Really, once again, I am appreciating his duty, his work, his manner, his behavior. Thank you, everyone. Everyone should be respond on his dedication, and everyone give the voice behalf of his work and his duty, his job. Thank you, JB.